Hello. Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to the Smart English Club podcast. I am so happy you are here today. This podcast is made for you. If you are a beginner, this is the right place for you. Here we speak slowly. We speak clearly. And we explain every single word. Now, before we start, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever stayed at a hotel? Maybe for a trip, maybe for a vacation, or maybe for a special occasion. Hotels are exciting, right? But what do you say when you call a hotel? What words do you use when you want to book a room? What questions does the hotel ask you? If you do not know, do not worry. That is exactly why we are here today. Today we follow a young woman named Mia. Mia is 24 years old. She lives in a small and quiet town. And today, for the very first time in her life, Mia is going to book a hotel room all by herself. Can she do it? Will she say the right words? Let us find out together. Now, let me tell you what we will do in this episode. We have 5 parts today. Part 1 is this introduction. You are listening to it right now. Part 2 is the main story. We follow Mia step by step. Part 3 is the sentence explanation. I will explain the most important sentences from the story. Part 4 is the vocabulary. I will teach you the keywords one by one. And Part 5 is the outro. I will give you a small challenge at the end. So are you ready? Let us go. Part 2, the main story. Mia books her first hotel room. It is a sunny Tuesday morning. Mia is sitting at her kitchen table. She is drinking a cup of coffee, and she is looking at her phone. She is searching for a hotel online. Mia is going to visit her friend Lisa in the big city. Lisa lives in a small apartment. There is no extra room for Mia to sleep, so Mia needs to book a hotel room. Mia finds a nice hotel online. The hotel is called the Golden Star Hotel. It is in the city center. It looks clean and comfortable, and the price is reasonable. Mia says to herself, "Okay, I think I will call them. I need to make a reservation." Now let me explain the word reservation. A reservation means you book something before you arrive. You call the hotel or you go online. You say, "I want this room on this date." The hotel then keeps that room for you. That is a reservation. Mia calls the hotel. Mia picks up her phone. She dials the number of the hotel. The phone rings once, then twice, and then someone answers. The receptionist speaks first. He says, "Good morning. Thank you for calling the Golden Star Hotel. My name is James. How can I help you today?" Mia takes a small breath. She is a little nervous, but she speaks clearly. She says, "Hello. Good morning. I would like to book a room, please." James says, "Of course. I am happy to help you. For how many nights?" Mia says, "For 2 nights, please. I am arriving on Friday evening, and I am checking out on Sunday morning." James says, "Perfect. Friday to Sunday. That is 2 nights. And will that be for 1 person or 2 persons?" Mia says, "Just 1 person. Only me." James says, "Wonderful. We have 2 types of rooms available. We have a standard room, and we have a deluxe room. The standard room is $60 per night. The deluxe room is $90 per night. The deluxe room has a bigger bed and a city view. Which one would you prefer?" Mia thinks for a moment. Then she says, "I think I will take the standard room, please. $60 per night is fine for me." James says, "Great choice. The standard room it is. Now may I have your name, please?" Mia says, "Yes. My name is Mia Parker." Hey, Parker. P-R-K-R. James says, "Thank you, Miss Parker. And may I have a phone number or email address?" Mia says, "Yes. My email address is mia.parker@email.com." James says, "Perfect. Let me confirm your booking. 1 standard room. Check-in on Friday evening. Check-out on Sunday morning. 2 nights. Total cost $120. Is that correct?" Mia says, "Yes, that is correct." James says, "Wonderful. Your reservation is confirmed, Miss Parker. We look forward to seeing you on Friday. Is there anything else I can help you with?" Mia says, "Yes. One small question. Does the hotel have free Wi-Fi?" James says, "Yes, absolutely. We have free Wi-Fi in all rooms and in all public areas of the hotel." Mia says, "Oh, wonderful. And what time is check-in?" James says, "Check-in time is from 3 o'clock in the afternoon. If you arrive earlier, we can store your luggage for you." Mia says, "That is very helpful. Thank you so much." James says, "You are very welcome, Miss Parker. We will send a confirmation email to you very soon. Have a wonderful day." Mia says, "Thank you. You too. Goodbye." James says, "Goodbye." Mia arrives at the hotel. It is now Friday evening. Mia arrives at the Golden Star Hotel. She has a small suitcase, and she has a big smile. She walks to the front desk. She speaks to the receptionist. She says, "Good evening. I have a reservation. My name is Mia Parker." The receptionist says, "Good evening, Miss Parker. Welcome to the Golden Star Hotel. Let me check your reservation. Yes, I have it here. 1 standard room for 2 nights. Is that right?" Mia says, "Yes, that is right." The receptionist says, "Perfect. May I see your ID or passport, please?" Mia says, "Of course. Here it is." The receptionist says, "Thank you very much. And how would you like to pay? By credit card or in cash?" Mia says, "I will pay by credit card, please." The receptionist says, "No problem at all. Could you please insert your card into the machine?" Mia pays. The receptionist gives her a key card. The receptionist says, "Your room is on the 3rd floor. Room number 315. The elevator is just to your right. Breakfast is served in the dining room every morning, from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Enjoy your stay, Miss Parker." Mia says, "Thank you so much. I am really happy to be here." The receptionist says, "We are happy to have you. If you need anything, please call the front desk. We are here 24 hours a day." Mia says, "Perfect. Thank you." Mia takes the elevator to the 3rd floor. She finds room 315. She opens the door. The room is clean. It is quiet, and it is very comfortable. There is a big window. She can see the street outside. The lights of the city are beautiful. Mia puts her suitcase down. She sits on the bed, and she smiles. She says to herself, "I did it. I booked my first hotel room, all by myself." Now let us look at some important sentences from the story. I will say the sentence first, and then I will explain it very slowly. Sentence 1. The sentence is, I would like to book a room, please. Let me explain this sentence. I would like means I want, but it is more polite. We do not say I want a room. That can sound a little rude. We say I would like a room. That sounds polite and friendly. To book means to reserve. It means to save a place for yourself. And please is a polite word. Always use please when you ask for something. Now say this sentence out loud. I would like to book a room, please. Sentence 2. The sentence is, I am arriving on Friday evening, and I am checking out on Sunday morning. Let me explain. I am arriving means I will come. I will get there. Check-in means when you arrive at the hotel. You give your name. You get your room key. That is check-in. Check-out means when you leave the hotel. You return your key. You pay if you have not paid already. That is check-out. Here is an easy way to remember this. Check-in. You go into the hotel. Check-out. You go out of the hotel. Sentence 3. The sentence is, which one would you prefer? This means there are two choices. Which one do you want? Would you prefer means what is your choice? You can answer this question by saying, I would prefer the standard room, or you can simply say, the standard room, please. Sentence 4. The sentence is, your reservation is confirmed. Your reservation means your booking. The room you reserved. Is confirmed means it is done. It is official. The hotel has saved your room for you. When the hotel says this, you can relax. Your room is waiting for you. Sentence 5. The sentence is, please do not hesitate to call the front desk. Please do not hesitate means do not be shy. Do not wait. If you need something, ask. To hesitate means to pause because you feel shy or unsure. The front desk is the reception area of the hotel. It is the place where the receptionist works. So this whole sentence means, if you need any help, call us anytime. We are here for you. Part 4, Key Vocabulary. Now let us learn the most important words from today's story. I will explain each word carefully. I will say the word. Then I will explain what it means. And then I will give you an example sentence. Word 1. Reservation. Type. Noun. Meaning. A booking made in advance. Example. I made a reservation for 2 nights. Word 2. Book. Type. Verb. Meaning. To reserve a room or place. Example. I want to book a room for Friday. Word 3. Check-in. Type. Verb. Meaning. To arrive and register at the hotel. Example. Check-in time is at 3 in the afternoon. Word 4. Check-out. Type. Verb. Meaning. To leave the hotel and return the key. Example. We need to check out before noon. Word 5. Receptionist. Type. Noun. Meaning. The person who works at the front desk. Example. The receptionist gave me the room key. Word 6. Available. Type. Adjective. Meaning. Free and ready to be used. Example. Is a standard room available this weekend? Word 7. Standard. Type. Adjective. Meaning. Basic and normal, not luxury. Example. I would like a standard room, please. Word 8. Deluxe. Type. Adjective. Meaning. More comfortable and higher quality. Example. The deluxe room has a beautiful city view. Word 9. Confirm. Type. Verb. Meaning. To make something official and certain. Example. Can you confirm my booking by email? Word 10. Luggage. Type. Noun. Meaning. Bags and suitcases you carry when traveling. Example. The hotel can store your luggage for you. Word 11. Elevator. Type. Noun. Meaning. A machine that moves you between floors. Example. Take the elevator to the 3rd floor. Word 12. Reasonable. Type. Adjective. Meaning. Not too expensive. A fair price. Example. The hotel price is very reasonable. Word 13. Hesitate. Type. Verb. Meaning. To pause because you feel shy or unsure. Example. Do not hesitate to call us anytime. Word 14. Front desk. Type. Noun. Meaning. The reception area in a hotel. Example. Please call the front desk if you need help. Word 15. Per night. Type. Phrase. Meaning. The price for one night of staying. Example. The room costs $60 per night. Part 5. And that is the end of today's episode. You did a wonderful job. You listened to the whole episode. And I am very proud of you. Today you learned so many things. You learned how to call a hotel and book a room in English. You learned how to check in at a hotel. You learned polite phrases like I would like and please do not hesitate. And you learned 15 important new words. Now here is your challenge for today. Write one sentence in the comments. Use any word from today's vocabulary. For example, you can write, I would like to book a room for 2 nights. Or the price is very reasonable. Or I need to check in at 3 o'clock. I read every single comment, and I will reply to you. If this episode was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Smart English Club podcast so you never miss a new episode. And share this podcast with one friend who is also learning English, because learning together is always better. Thank you so much for being here today. You are doing amazing. Keep going. Keep listening. Keep learning. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, take care. And goodbye.